Welcome to our YouTube showcase featuring the best Recon M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws. This innovative device revolutionizes woodworking, reducing cut time and increasing safety. In 2024, it stands as the pinnacle of precision engineering. With its unparalleled accuracy and intuitive design, the Recon M1 ensures flawless cuts every time. Join us as we delve into its features and benefits. Equipped with patent-pending technology, this innovative tool guarantees unparalleled accuracy and reliability in measurements, setting a new standard in precision woodworking. Its large backlit LCD screen offers crystal-clear visibility of measurements, even in low-light conditions, elevating user experience and convenience to new heights. By digitizing the miter saw, the M1 caliber empowers users to measure and cut stock materials up to 3 times faster than conventional methods, effectively saving precious time and effort. Gone are the days of fumbling with cumbersome tape measures and pencils. The M1 caliber simplifies the measuring process, making it more efficient and precise than ever before. Compatible with a wide array of saws, including miter, cut-off, chop, and vertical band saws, the M1 caliber accommodates diverse cutting needs and materials with ease and versatility. Whether you're executing miter, bevel, compound, or straight cuts, rest assured that the M1 caliber delivers unmatched precision and adaptability across various materials, from boards to composites to pipe. Centralizing measurement activities to a single location enhances safety by minimizing the need to move back and forth between tools, thereby reducing the risk of accidents and errors. Thanks to its simple clamp-on mechanism and intuitive interface, the M1 caliber offers swift and straightforward setup, enabling professionals, contractors, woodworkers, and tradespeople to dive into their projects with maximum efficiency. With its capability to provide the most accurate readings on smooth materials, the M1 caliber sets a new benchmark for precision and performance in woodworking. Remarkably lightweight at just 1 pound and boasting dimensions of 6.1 by 4.5 by 3 inches, this indispensable tool is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. Powered by 2 batteries, the M1 caliber ensures convenient power options for on-the-go use, allowing you to tackle projects wherever inspiration strikes. Experience the future of woodworking measurement with the Recon M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws, where precision meets innovation for unparalleled results. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.